Hello, and welcome back to Math Time with Professor Prime. And I am your host, as always, Professor Prime. You, yes, you, listening, you watching, whatever the case may be, you can do math. Whether you think you can or can't, whether you were told that you can or can't, whether you like it or hate it, whether you feel like you use it or not, you can do math, and in fact, you do math. We don't always realize we do, but we do. It's everywhere and it's everything. It's just figuring out how to communicate that, how to deal with that. Math is a beautiful thing, and it's many things. It's a tool for communication, a predictive tool as well, and so much more. And we use it on a regular basis. And I've said it a couple different places and a lot of times, especially in these last few years, but math is more than one thing. It's not just about the numbers, it's about what they represent. Math would still exist, even if we didn't call it by this or that. Same with numbers. Math is about communication, it's about representation, it's about systems, networks, ideas. The numbers, they're a small part of that. But there's so much more that's being said with those numbers. And we can all say those things. And we all use it whether we realize it or not. And getting to a point where, you're doing it in a class, it's more doable than you think. And so with this channel and some things that I'm working on right now, I want more people to see that. And I want people to believe what I said at the beginning of this video, which is that, you watching or listening or whatever, you can do math. I've had so many people that think that they can't, and were told that they can't. But I've worked with them, and they were able to eventually see that they could. And that's what I want to do. I want to continue that, but on a larger scale. I want people to see the wonder in math, also the practicality, because the truth is, we live in a world where we deal with math all the time because it is everywhere and everything. And I know that can sound horrible to some people, but it's actually a pretty cool thing. And I think the more you know about it, the better. So that being said, I'm going to reiterate what I said in the beginning. You, yes you, right there, you can do math. Professor Prime out.